everybody, and welcome back to Jaiplay, where today I'm going to be playing another Ludendari game. This one's called Cyberglyde. Now, let's begin. Press mouse button. Okay. Ooh, okay. Move the mouse up and down to flap. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Flapping builds speed. Ooh, 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 my, I see. Okay. Okay, I understand. Woo! Turn! Woo! Okay, this is cool. This is cool. Woo! Woo! This is a weird game, but I really like it. Okay. Flap! 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 Okay, this is how you flap. Up and down. Oh, apparently I only have a certain amount of time. Right, okay. Okay, turn. Okay. Yep. Okay, let's try to get through one of these rings. Oh! Oh! Woohoo! Ring pass. Oh yeah, not exactly sure how I did that. Upwards, woohoo! Oh man, this is cool. Okay, so it is literally just a mouse game. It's flat. Yep, gaining momentum. Oh yeah. This is another Ludendari game like Nature D, one that we played like ages ago. Ooh, not 2 weeks ago. Oh man. Ooh. Ooh, look at this cute little bird. Oh, yes, ring pass. Nice. Okay, and this is how you flap. Oh, okay, that's the time run out. Thanks for playing. Oh. Can we play again? Your final score was 200. I think we can beat that. You can do better. Try again. Another. Okay, I will. Oh, look how cute he is. Yes, the next. Move the mouse up and down. Okay, let's try and get a few more rings this time. Ooh, up. Okay. Is it? Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Yeah, got that. Okay. Yeah, got it. Ring pass. Good luck. Woo. Oh dear. Oh dear. Get flap. Ooh, what's that? It's up there. I'm flapping a lot right now. Okay, turn this way. We gained height, gained speed. Now we just have to be precise. Yes, ring pass. Whoop. Okay, this is a really weird bird, but I like it. Whoop. Okay, woo-hoo-hoo. This is a really cool game. Woo! Okay, what's he even doing right now? Why are we trying to fly through rings? Ooh, kick that! Okay, there's the ring. Flap. Okay, then down and to the left. Woo! And there's the ring. Precious! Whoa! Missed it. There's another one. Come on, flat and through. Yes, haha. Precious. Ooh, another ring there. Kind of easy to get. Right, let's try and get it. Yes, ring pass. Woo! Yeah, the controls are really intuitive in this game. Once you get the hang of them, they're really fun. Okay. Woohoo! Woo! Okay, whee! Flap, little bird, flap! Whee! Oh, right, let's try it again. How much skill? Give me the skill. Thank you for playing with the sideboard. Oh, apparently it's sideboard. Not the Cyberglyde. Oh, it's Cyberglyde. Okay. 800! Yes! That's pretty good! I know it is, right? Right, one more time. One more time, I think. Should we? Maybe. Yeah. No, wait. Need to check the time. Need to check the time. Alright, let's have one more go. Maybe two. I don't know. I really love this game. It seems so simple, but it's so good. There's a ring just down there. Oh, no, get out. Whoa. Black. Oh, black. Oh, there's the ring. There's the ring. Ring of power. Ring of power. Precious. Precious. Okay, I'm going to go for this one. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Precious. No. Black. 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 Okay, and then down. Turn the camera. Okay. Okay, there's a ring down there we can go for. Okay, this one. Ooh. Okay, we're heading straight towards it. Yes! Yes! We did it! Man, this thing's a really efficient glider! Woo! Well, I guess it's not a glider because it's flapping. Okay, there's a ring there, there's a ring there. You can get it. Oh no, watch out! Oh! Okay, okay, it's over there, it's over there. Flap! Flap at the same time. Oh dear. Okay, flap, flap, flap. Through the ring, yes! Haha! Okay, 41 seconds remaining. Oh, ring! Oh no, I crashed into a mountain. That's going to be painful. But luckily, this bird can sustain no damage. Maybe it's a robot. I think it might be a cyborg. Ooh. Wait, what's something cool if it's part animal, part animal Borg? No. Oh no, because Borg is the organism. No, because cyborg just means cybernetic organism. So cyborg could count for any organism, couldn't it? Yes, another ring passed. Oh no, did I not get that? Thanks for playing. Come on, go on, get in. Come on, let's go. Your final score was 700. No. We gotta beat it! We have to beat it! Pretty good. Alright, one more game. One more game. Laughing. Right, okay. Ooh, look at those rings there. I think we can do a double loop. We're gonna do the bottom one and then go up to the second, to the top one. Oh no! I missed it! Do a loop! Go loop! Good luck. Okay, we're doing a loop. We're doing a loop. Whoa, that was cool. Oh, look at that. Loop of ring of power! Ooh, man, I'm not sure if I got that one. Don't think I did. We've run it down there. We've run down there. Okay, got it. Got it. Upwards. Ooh. No. Woo! Ooh. Flap! Flap! Woo! Okay, okay. Ring! No! How did I miss that? I'm rubbish at this now. I'm good the first time. Woo! Okay. Head for this one. No! Oh man, the perspective's all off. I didn't realise how big these rings are. Ah! Okay. Flap! Flap! Woo! I think we can get this one up here. Maybe not. Ooh. Yep, we're heading straight towards one. This should work. This should work. This should help. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. No! How did I dodge that? I dodged it. 20 seconds remaining. My score's going to be 0. No! Oh no! 800 is going to be my best score. Oh dear. Ah! 6 seconds remaining! Woo! Come on! No! No! Thanks for playing.